Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing another product unboxing and review for yet another wireless microphone system. This is the LENSGO 348C wireless microphone. But before we start, I would just like to thank LENSGO for sending this in. And if you're into filmmaking, videography, photography, and travel videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you get updated with the latest product reviews like this. With that said, let's get started. The LENSGO 348C is the latest wireless microphone system from LENSGO. LENSGO is a photo-video equipment manufacturer which offers a wide range of audio equipment from condenser microphones, on-camera microphones, and wireless microphone systems. The LENSGO 348C is a very compact microphone that is compatible with almost all devices such as mirrorless cameras, camcorders, action cameras, and smartphones. It is using a 2.4 GHz wireless frequency for a stable and clear connection. It also has a built-in microphone with an omnidirectional polar pattern and a headset port for real-time monitoring. One of the amazing features of the LENSGO 348C is the built-in recording, where you can record audio directly from the transmitter even without the use of a camera. It is said that the LENSGO 348C can go far, up to 30 meters, and can still have a clear audio quality. That's quite impressive for a compact wireless microphone. The LENSGO 348C also has a 7-level built-in noise reduction technology, so you can focus more on your video and less worries on audio post-processing. The LENSGO 348C also has a TFT screen to monitor your sound levels, sound modes, and signal quality. It also has a 400 mAh lithium battery with a USB Type-C port for charging. The battery life on the 348C is also amazing, as it's said to have 7 hours of battery life for the transmitters and 8 hours for the receivers. This is almost 2 times more than the other brands can offer. And that's for the specifications. Let's see what's included in the package. So I got the 348C 1v1, which means it only has one transmitter and one receiver. Upon opening the box, you will see a carrying case which also serves as a charging enclosure, which is similar to the Apple AirPods. It also includes a wind filter or a rabbit fur for the built-in microphone. It also comes with 2 TRS cables. One is for digital cameras and the other one is for smartphones. It also comes with 2 magnetic clips and 1 magnetic buckle, so you can clip it anywhere you want. It also comes with a Type-C USB cable for charging. And last but not the least, it comes with a user manual like any other equipment. If you're looking for a new microphone, the LENSGO 348C is an all-around microphone that can be used for vlogging, weddings, birthdays, speeches, interviews, and even with music recording. It is very portable and has a very unique design, which has 3 different colors to choose from. If you want to purchase the product, I have added the link on the description, and I also added their social media channel so you can check their wide range of audio equipment for all your content creation needs. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment. And if you're new to the channel, please do click on that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you get updated for more amazing product reviews like this. Again, this is Luigi Versoza, and thank you for watching my video.